why,
really
Samuel? Why?
secure that house with no money?
Absolutely, yeah. None of my money went into that house. I've secured that house with no money.
A few moments later.
But you did a little refurb.
Yeah.
You spent how much?
1,700 quid. And I've got no issues with that
so he
whatsoever.
spent money on it.
It's
not no money down. He's literally said at the beginning of the video, it was no money down. He literally said, I did not spend a penny on it. Then he's literally just said, I spent £1,700 on a refurb of the property. So how is it a no money down deal? Like, I'm actually getting angry watching this now. You do spend money. So you spend money on the course first and foremost. So you spent thousands of pounds to go on this course and learn about the strategy. So that's a few £1,000s down. And I've actually done this strategy myself as well, right? So you spend hundreds of pounds sending out letters to landlords. So you go and access, say, like a HMO landlord database to find all of the landlords within, you know, an area, postcode, and you shoot out hundreds of letters to these landlords, hoping that some of them respond to you. Okay, that costs hundreds of pounds to send out all of those letters to those landlords. It's not no money down. Also, typically, you know, say you're successful and you get a property, you invariably have to spend some money on that property to make it a property that's going to do well on Airbnb, on Booking.com, on Spare Room. You're going to have to spend money on furniture, on cleaning it, most likely, you know, painting it, some light decorations, because don't forget, these are usually tired landlords, and usually tired landlords don't come to you with immaculate, well-presented properties. So I'm always skeptical when these people come and say, yeah, I didn't spend a penny of my own money on this deal, on this strategy. It's usually not true. No money down deals. It's possible, which it is possible, but how easy and how common are these deals? Is it as straightforward as going on a course for a weekend and then, you know, the floodgates open, you get all these deals and you're successful, you make thousands of pounds and you quit your job, you know? I mean, the thing about it as well, with people like Samuel Leeds and other people who promote the rent-to-rent strategy, part of it is, of course, that, you know, well, I'm assuming the best of these people that they want to promote this strategy to people who are looking to get into property with little money, and it's a way for them to get into it, which it is. But it's also a way for these people to make a ton of money. You know, these courses are thousands of pounds to go on per person, and Samuel Leeds has hundreds, thousands of people on these courses. Do the mental arithmetic. He's making hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds just by doing these courses.